Hi, my name is Christy Myatt, and I'm a member of the Farm Credit team here at Nexsen Pruet. In this video, I will talk about Notice of Adverse Credit Decisions and CRC review. An adverse credit decision is a credit decision where a Farm Credit Association decides not to make a loan to an applicant, approves a loan in an amount less than the applicant requested, or denies a DLR restructuring application. If there is an adverse credit decision, notice should be sent as quickly as possible, in writing, to all primary applicants or borrowers. The adverse credit decision should set forth the reasons for the adverse credit decision and include a statement that a review can be requested and set forth the review process. For example, who to contact, submission of an independent collateral evaluation, and the right to appear before a credit review committee or CRC. An applicant whose loan has been denied or proposes a reduced amount has 30 days to request a review. A borrower whose restructuring application has been denied has 7 days to request a review. So, what is a CRC? A CRC is a committee appointed by the association's board. The association's policy sets forth the number and term of the CRC members. Generally, the CRC is comprised of 3 individuals, one of whom must be a farmer-elected board member. The loan officer or decision maker involved in the denial of the loan or restructuring application cannot serve on the CRC. If the applicant or borrower requests a review of the adverse credit decision, the CRC should make arrangements for a meeting with the applicant or borrower as soon as possible and send written notification of the scheduled meeting at least 15 days prior to the scheduled CRC meeting. This notice should set forth the time and place of the meeting, the right to appear in person with counsel or have other representatives of the applicant or borrower present, and the right to present the CRC with relevant documents or other evidence to support the information contained in the application or restructure request. If the applicant or borrower agrees, alternative meeting formats, such as video conferencing, may be used. Although the applicant or borrower cannot bring new information to the CRC meeting, it can submit additional information to support its application or loan restructuring request, or to refute the association lender's values used in a restructuring plan or collateral evaluation. As part of the petition for review, the applicant or borrower may request an additional collateral evaluation by an independent collateral evaluator. If a request is made, the association shall provide a list of 3 independent evaluators approved by an association within 30 days, together with a copy of Section 614, Subpart F, appraisal requirements. The applicant or borrower must then engage the evaluator within 30 days of receiving the list and is responsible for all costs. Unless the collateral evaluation standards are not met, the CRC is required to consider the results of the collateral evaluation. The CRC is to reach a decision no later than 30 days after the scheduled meeting. This decision is then communicated in writing to the applicant or borrower by the CRC chairperson. If there are multiple applicants or borrowers, it is permissible to notify only the primary obligor of the credit. The CRC can either uphold the adverse decision, or it can reverse the denial and approve the loan or restructuring application as proposed by the applicant or the borrower. The CRC does not have authority to negotiate or propose a new application or restructuring plan. Once the CRC has issued its final decision, there is no further right of appeal of an adverse credit decision. If you have any questions or need more information about adverse credit decisions or CRCs, please call me or any of the other members of the Farm Credit team here at Nexsen Pruet. Thank you.